Hey guys, how are you all? I Aishwarya welcome you all to my channel Desi Nari. Today we are gonna make this pretty bracelet set which I have made using only pearl beads and wires. It's very easy to make and looks very pretty. So do make this bracelet set and do let me know how was your experience while making it. And lastly, don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. So the material required is pearl beads. These are a little bit of white pearl beads. Then a necklace hook. Then 30 gauge wire, 28 gauge wire. Then jump ring. Then scissor and plier. So first of all, we'll make a small round of this 30 gauge wire. For that, I'm taking this fabric glue bottle as an instrument, and what we'll do is we'll take this cap, and over here I will make a wrap like this. I will make a firm wrap, and now here I will wrap it like this. Okay, so now we'll bring it out. Cut this part, so the loop has gone, but that's okay, we'll do it now. So again, now here I'm going to make a wrap, and I'll take this part over here and we'll fold this, and we'll take this part over here and we'll take this. It won't get removed immediately, and it will be fixed properly. Okay, so now we will take this 28 gauge wire, and I have taken small part of this, and we'll wrap it anywhere. First we will wrap a small part like this, and again I will take a fabric glue. Again I will take this plier, and we'll make sure that I'm wrapping this firmly. Now I'm going to add this pearl bead in this wire. So first I'll add only one pearl bead, and then I'll take it to another side over here, and then we'll wrap it. And then, as it is a freestyle pattern, we'll wrap them anywhere. So now I'm taking this wire over here. So first I'll insert one bead in that, and then I will wrap it around over here. Like you can wrap it anywhere. Okay, and now I will take this wire from here to here, and then we'll wrap. Okay, and now again I will add one pearl bead, and again to this side I'll make a wrap. So similarly we have to fill this whole circle with these beads and wire. So I'll quickly add and go on adding, and we'll fill the circle and we'll come back to you. So guys, I have made this round circle, and this is how it looks, you can see. So to make this bracelet we need other types of circle too. So like I have made this in a rectangular or oval shape, so this will come here, and there is another one, so it will come here like this, and then there are two more circles, so one will come here and then this will come here. So this is how our bracelet will be. So now we will just simply attach them each other. So I'm taking these jump rings, and what we'll do is, so I'll start from here. So I'm taking this, we'll insert a jump ring here in this, and then I'll use the same jump ring and we'll insert it here in this, and we'll close this one. So you can see I have attached it like this. So in the same way we have to attach this all of them. So I'll quickly do to all of them. And if you carefully follow all the steps as mentioned in the video, it will be very easy for you to make this beautiful bracelet. So guys, I have attached this and see, this is how it looks. So now we'll just simply attach the necklace hook and 2-3 jump rings to both the sides. So again I'm taking this jump ring and we'll attach it over here to this side. Cut this part. So now we are going to attach the necklace hook to this and jump rings. So first I will take this jump ring and will insert it to any end circle. So I'll insert it in this, and again I'm going to add one more jump ring in this and we'll close this one. Now in this second jump ring I'm going to add this necklace hook. If you want, you can also add lobster hook to this. It's totally up to you what is available with you and what do you want to add. So I will close this too. So yeah, and now we have to add some jump rings to this side. So I'll quickly add some jump rings. So guys, you can see I have added this jump rings here and necklace hook here, and with this this beautiful necklace is ready. So and this is how it will look. So yeah, ta-da! Do try to make this beautiful bracelet at home. If you face any issue while making this bracelet, do let me know in the comments below so that I can solve that issue and also others can learn from it. If you like this video, do like, share, comment on it. And if you are new here on my channel, I request you to subscribe to my channel so that we can meet on a regular basis to make such amazing jewelry making designs like this. Thank you so much for watching my video till the end. See you next time. Until then, this is Aishwarya signing off.